Bertie, you noisy bugger. You noisy boy. Oh, God. You do it when you're awake. We'll get you a nose plug. Shall we? Oi! Don't fall asleep when I'm talking to you. Shall I get you a nose plug? Shall I get you a nose plug? Oh, oh dear. You're only 6.5. You're like an old man. Go back to sleep.